Now I am going to discuss the problems of similar triangles. It is given, that is in the figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that the triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR. The figure is here and they have given you angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means it is an equilateral triangle. PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Now we start. Given QR by QS is equal to QT by QR, even QT by QR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In triangle PQS and TQR, PQS and TQR, we get QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, it is given. Then angle Q is equal to angle Q common to the both triangles. PR by QS, I just interchange that. PR by QS is equal to QT by QS. QT by QR. Okay. Now, so I get PR by, I just write PQ, PR is equal to PQ. Just now we know angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to 2, that is PQ is equal to PR. Instead of PR, I have written instead of PR, I have written PQ. PQ by QS is equal to QT by QR. So, how to write the similar triangle? PQS, okay, and TQR. So therefore triangle PQS similar to triangle Q should be in the middle. TQR, that is TQR, that is TQR. PQS is equal to TQR. Hence proof. What I have used, I have not used anything else other than angle 1 is equal to angle 2, where the two sides are equal, that is PQ is equal to PR. That is the only thing I have used here. Next question is that E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. This is a very easy one. Only thing you have to think that angles, which are the angles equal. Now in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Then if I draw this, okay, given ABCD is a parallelogram, okay. Now AD produced, that is E, produced to E, and BE we join, it cuts CD at F, okay, CD at F, okay. Then show that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. No. Given, what is given? Given ABCD is a parallelogram and AD produced at E and EB joined, it cuts CD at F. To prove that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Okay. Then CFB. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Can you tell me why it is that? It is that opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is the opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, opposite angles are of a parallelogram are always equal. Then angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6 because it is BE is the transversal and angle 5 is 6, that is alternate angles. That is called alternate angles. So therefore in two triangles, angle 1 is equal to 2 and 5 is equal to 6. The 1 is equal to 1 means which angle? A I have written. 5 is what? 5 is that E and it is then B. Third angle is B. Similarly here 6 is C. 6 is equal to angle 6 is equal to angle C. Angle 1 is equal to 2. 2 is C. B is 6 and F. But it is given that we can rearrange that angles like AEB. Instead that I can write ABE, yes, and CBF. Instead I can write CFB. Hence proved. Okay, so you have to draw the figure yourself so that there should not be any mistake. Next question. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. This is the D, okay? And such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay? Now, given what is that? Given D is a point on the side of the triangle BC, that is given D is a point. An angle given, that is angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. These two angles are equal. Now in triangle ABC and ACD, is that ABC and ACD, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC given, and angle C is equal to angle C, which is common. Okay. Therefore, triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA. We know similar triangle by AA similarity rule, but we know by in similar triangle corresponding sides are in the same ratio, that is AC by DC. AC by DC, this is AC by DC, yes, and BC by AC. BC by AC, that is AC square, I cross multiply AC square is equal to BC into CD. Instead of AC square I can write CA square. CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay, have you followed how to draw the figure? Drawing the figure is the main thing.